Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing zoom effect using mode transition in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide, go to Insert tab and insert a high resolution image. So I'll just use this image. Next, we're gonna go to aspect ratio and give it an aspect ratio 16:9. We're gonna adjust our image. Next, we're gonna insert a text box for the text. Increase its size, change its color. So the color I'm using is white, and the font I'll use is Avoni. Be sure to use a bold font to highlight your title. Next, what we're gonna do is just move this one into the center in the middle of our template. Select it again. Go to text options, go to text effects and give it this shadow. Duplicate the slide and we're gonna crop our picture. Next, we're gonna, while holding control, we'll just change its size, like increase it. Next, we're gonna customize our text and add more body text. Change its color to white and give it them line spacing. Put it right here like this. Now give it shadow too. Now duplicate the slide. Go select the picture, go to crop option and relocate your image. We're gonna now change our text box again. Customize all of your text. Now duplicate your slide. The next thing you're going to do is again crop your image and you have to relocate your image. Now you have to move your text on to the left side and customize your text. Select all of your templates, give them MORPH transition from the transitions tab. So this is the final result of this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below.